Today we're going to take a look at one of the smallest stick welders available today, the Riland 120E. Riland has been building welders for 30 years, and you just can't beat this little guy for a starter welder or a quality welder for home use that doesn't take up space. To give you an idea of how small it is, here's a can of paint next to it. It doesn't get any easier to use. Just plug it in and set the temperature. We'll put it at about 75% and give it a try. I'm not much of a stick welder, but this is the result. After setting the temperature a little hotter, this was my next attempt. And this is the back side. You can see there is penetration right there all the way through. And this is 1/8 inch stock. Now we'll turn it down a bit and try it on some sheet metal. Here's a close-up shot of those welds. Once again, the Riland 120E is super easy to use. Just plug it in, turn it on, and set the temperature. The polarity can be switched too if you're having trouble striking an arc or need to do that for any other reason. To switch polarity, just switch these and you're good to go. I hope you enjoyed this brief review on a welder that's not much bigger than a spray bomb can, the Riland 120E. If you did enjoy it and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.